In this video, let me show you the different tools available inside of Pictory AI, and then I'll show you the layout as well, the interface where the different projects get saved and things like that. And then we'll start creating these videos one at a time to kind of get lay of the land to see what the different tools do in each case. So if you log into the Pictory website, again, in the last setup video, it got us to this page here. Basically, these are the 4 different big pillars of type of videos you could create with Pictory. The first one being script to video. So this is where you basically could copy and paste any type of text and it will do everything else to generate that video. This one is the one I use more than any other tool. It's really mind-blowing what it does and how well it works. So I'm gonna show you this in detail. And this is recommended for educational videos. So a lot of videos I create like this, these are good for that. Listicle videos, those are basically top 10 lists and things like that that you see often on YouTube, for example. Coaching videos and step-by-step guides, and any type of tutorial, how-to video, training video. This is a really good format for that. And you could also use it for marketing videos as well. Then we have article to video. This one is really mind-blowing. Basically, you copy and paste a URL, a website URL. So I could copy a link to a website, put it here, press proceed, and you could turn any blog, for example, into a video. So if you do any written content, but you never knew how to create videos because it was too much work, well, this just does it for you. So this does it with press releases. It does it basically with any HTML type article. Any document that's online, it could, in most cases, do it. So I'll show you some example in upcoming videos on how this works. Great way to repurpose any text-based content that is already on the web. Then edit video using text. This one's incredible. I started using this a while back because I could teach my instructors that are good at teaching but don't know how to edit videos to actually take care of the video editing themselves. This takes a video, transcribes the video, and then you just edit that text document and it makes edits to the video. So you no longer need to, with this tool, learn any type of complicated editing software. This is really incredible. Now, some other tools started implementing this, but this is one of the first places I ever saw this AI technology. So this basically takes a video. It could be created here or something you upload. It adds subtitles automatically, which could be turned into captions as well. Those are basically laying on top of your video when you export and get it out of this platform to post. And it cuts portion of your video. I'll show you that, where you basically take out a sentence and that edits the video like that. That video will have that taken out of it. You could also create video highlights, which is useful. You could add your own logo, intros and outros, ton of different options with this editing option inside of there. So we'll go into details in upcoming videos there. This one is really interesting. Visual to video, basically, you could give it a bunch of images, for example, that you have. Let's say you're trying to put a presentation together. It will do that for you. It will create a slideshow, a video slideshow using existing images, and even short video clips. It will kind of mash them together to create this kind of video for you using pre-existing visuals. So this one requires you to have some things to upload to it. It's not going to generate anything for you, but this one is really, really interesting. So these 4 options is what we're going to focus on for the rest of this course. Each one of them is extremely powerful. Each one of them could be its own AI platform, and all 4 are built into this. And a little bit more about the layout here. Every time you log in now, it's gonna bring you to this page over here. So you have to start with one of these. But then all your projects, if you go to my project tab, they will appear over here. So if you start making a lot of projects, let's say you're making training videos, marketing videos, and short form social media ads, you wanna create basically folders and organize different projects here. So they will always appear and they're searchable. Under the help tab, they do have a really nice help section too. So all the different questions you may have can be answered here. I'm gonna do my best. I've gone through all this to make sure everything that you need to know I cover in this course here. So really my project tab is probably where you're gonna spend a lot of time. And then every time you click the logo, it's gonna bring you back to this page where you could get started with any one of these 4 projects. You could also create teams, which is a new option. So I'll show you exactly how that works, where you could collaborate with other team members. In the very next video, let's go ahead and create our first video with Pictory. I'm gonna use the script to video option here. This is probably the best way to get started, and then we'll dive much deeper in what this could do and these other tools in upcoming sections.